YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Fade by Morales with another haircut tutorial. Let's go. Alright, so we're balding out right here, and I sped up the beginning of it because my shoulder was in the way a lot, so I'm gonna go ahead and fly through this side. It's still the same steps, you know, every now and then, like right there, see all that shoulder? So that's why I went in and sped through all that. So this is when I barely had got those little trimmers right there, but since then I put the wall blade on it. And now they're hitting like Mike Tyson in his prime. So that shaver right there, that was the very first shaver I ever bought. It's a Braun Series 5. And it came with the cleaning station and everything, just like the Series 9. But I got it for hella cheap. And I used to rock with it until I got the Series 9. And right here we got the lever open with the modified magic clips. It's got the Andis blade on it. Andis fade blade. I'm a fade blade kind of dude. You could tell this was around the election time. Look, he had Donald Trump on the phone. Hey, so this vato whose hair I'm cutting, that's Spider G. He's the one that makes all my beats for my haircut tutorials. And he made this beat that you're listening to. So I want to give him another shout out. And he knows what's up. Okay, so what we're listening to is his own style of music. It's called grunge rap. He has a whole bunch of videos and songs on his YouTube channel. If you guys want to go check them out, I'll put the link in the description below. His hair texture is not the easiest either to blend. He has very coarse hair, and you can see me going to work on it. I have to put in work on these haircuts. Hey yo, so I'm about to play a clip of his video. It's on that YouTube channel that I just showed you guys. You guys gotta go check that out. This is a haircut that I did, and it's kind of like a comedy. You guys gotta check it out. It's funny. I don't know what happened to when I was recording, why my shoulder was all up in the way so much, but we're almost done with this side here. Now we're doing that scrape technique. Alright, now we can finally slow it down and get some explanation. That's what makes it a haircut tutorial, right? Is that I'm explaining what I'm doing so that you can do the exact same thing on your whoever's hair you're cutting, you know? So we're balding it out right here with that little trimmer. and we're setting in our initial guideline, trying to get it as straight as we can, but we're too worried about it being perfectly straight. Okay, so now we're balding out up underneath the guideline that we set, and we're staying about a half inch. We're staying about a good half inch down from that guideline because we want that stubble there so that we can tie into that stubble and we ain't gotta worry about leaving a chili bowl. Okay, so now we have the clipper with the lever open, and we're going up, I think, that's over a half inch. That's like 3/4 of an inch. Yeah, we're going up 3/4 of an inch. We're spreading this fade out. This was before I started trying to do all the compressed fades. So we're going up 3/4 of an inch, and then we're gonna go all the way closed, and then start working that bald line, trying to get it to blend in to that open lever guideline that we just set. And you just gotta keep going over the areas, make sure that everything is cut, combing away all the debris. And what I mean by debris is the hairs that you do cut that actually stick to the head because of grease, oil, moisture, whatever. You're wiping all that away to the best of your ability. Okay, so now we're setting in our guideline with a one open double magnetic andis guard, and we are going 3/4 of an inch as well because we don't have to be all tied up in here. We're not doing a compressed fade, so we have plenty of room to work. So our work area will be from his parietal ridge area all the way down to where we left off with that open tapered. And right here we have that the zero guard, which is Andy's version of the half guard, and we're going almost all the way up to where we left off with that one open, but we're staying lower than it, and then we're just working it down. So now that we got guards on our clippers, I like the practice of fading down when we have that option, but with no guard on it, I usually fade up. Alright, so right here we're just trying to clean up a little bit where we left off with the zero guard. We're cleaning up the shadows that are in the area between that zero guard and the lever open by going back with the lever open and just bringing it up higher. Alright, so right here we have that number 1.5 Andy's double magnetic guard, and we're going up another 3/4 of an inch. And right here we have the number 2 guard all the way open, and there's no more guidelines. Now we're doing like scooping out at the top area so we don't set a guideline. Now we want to bring everything and we want to tie in right there to that crown. Alright, we got that number 1 guard, and we're scraping against the scalp, trying to get that thing to soften up, trying to get that blend to soften as soft as we can get it. here we're scooping with, not scooping, we're scraping with no guard on the clipper. This helps you bring the softer blend of the lighter color up higher. And right here I'm starting his lineup, but this fool be playing too much. Watch you see why. I started from the middle, I went over to my left, his right, and then, whoa, watch out there. Look at this fool right. See, he be doing that little stupid stuff. He's lucky I didn't push his hairline all the way the hell back. But he does, that fool's funny. Like, if you ever get to follow him, you guys will see that fool's funny. Alright, now we're doing the other side. Trying to make it symmetrical, trying to make it boxy, sharp. Trying to leave those little those hooks right there. Trying to make the hooks nice and tight. We brought his beard all the way down to one size. That looks like a number 4. Yeah, it does, huh? It must have been a number 4. I can't remember, but I think it's a number 4. And right here we're lining up, we're just tightening up the lineup. But what we did with the trimmer, we're just following behind it with the razor. And that fool no deja su pinche teléfono, güey. Alright, so now we're just, so what I'm lining them up right here, but I do put enhancements. He always asks for enhancements every time I cut his hair, so I'm lining it up right now with no enhancements. I want you guys to see everything that I do. I don't normally use enhancements, only upon customer request, and he asks for it. There's my homemade headrest. I'm gonna make a video on my barber station again. I haven't made one in a while. Alright, this is a little clip of lining up the mustache. His mustache is super hard to line up. I don't know if you guys have ever like had a mustache that is just like almost impossible to make sharp, but that's him. And see how he be moving his head? I fool be playing too much. And now I'm tying in the top to the sides, and I normally do this first, but I didn't cut anything off the top of his hair. He cut that himself, so all I was doing, and he didn't want no more lean taken off, so I figured I'd do the haircut, and then at the end I would try to tie it all together. Some more shoulder footage, but I feel like thinning shears. I like using them, so I like putting them in my tutorials. It just sucks that my shoulder was in this frame, pero ni pedo, dijo el tapado. Alright, this is me tightening up the lineup after I've installed the enhancement fibers. I use fibers. I don't have I do have a compressor, but I don't have the airbrush stuff. Alright, just a little reminder of what we started with. I mean, it wasn't a transformation, but, and there you go. That's the after. And I do want to thank everybody who watches my tutorials. I really appreciate it, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you.